tried to meditate, you sat down, closed your eyes, and within 30 seconds, your mind was racing with your grocery list. So you gave up, thinking you were doing it wrong. You weren't. Your soul was just waiting for someone to show you the real way in. Remove the guilt. Your mind is supposed to wander. This is not failure. This is the practice. Every time you notice the thought and come back to your breath, you are meditating. That moment of noticing, that is spirit calling you home. Sit anywhere, chair, floor, bed. No special cushion required. Set a timer. Start with 5 minutes only, not 10, not 20, 5. Breathe and notice. Breathe in for 4 counts, out for 6. Watch thoughts pass like clouds. Every time your mind wanders, gently return. No judgment. Number one reason most people quit, they don't anchor it to anything. Stack it onto something you already do. Morning tea, before bed, after a shower. Treat it like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't leave home without it. When I got sober, meditation wasn't optional anymore. It was how I learned to hear my soul again, instead of the noise. What feels like silence is actually spirit speaking. The more you show up, even for 5 minutes, the louder that voice becomes. You are not learning to empty your mind. You are learning to trust what fills it. I want to know, what time of day are you going to try this? Morning, afternoon, or before bed? Tell me in the comments. I read every single one.